We're on Dawn Outdoor Adventures getting ready to, ooh, that's a lot of hot pepper, but we're going to hook it up. Hook up some nice catfish fillets that I caught this morning. Caught one channel cat, so I'm getting ready to hook it up. Put it in a little baggie, shake it up a little. The grease is already going. This is my lunch. Try to videotape as I go here. Oh yeah. Don't get no better than this, y'all. That's gonna be good. Caught this morning, just for lunch. Let me cook on up. Got the butane cooker going. It won't be long now. I caught some crappie yesterday too, but all that stuff frozen hard, so I can't cook it right now. But that's enough right there. Gonna have some good old beans and weenie to go with it. All right, we'll see in a little bit on Dawn Outdoor Cooking. Oh yeah, it's cooking up nice. Out here at Lake, Hillsdale Lake. Those are the cabins I stayed in earlier and weathered the storm with, but it was nice still. But yeah, that's gonna be good. All right, we'll see you in a little bit on Dawn Outdoor Adventures.